have my camera in focus. Sorry if it's like slightly blurry. I really want to upgrade to a camera that autofocuses, but I haven't done so yet. But anyways, this is going to be my August Birchbox, so let's go ahead and see what I got. This is the behind the scenes box. It's got like a super bright tropical kind of look. Of course, on the inside, they have an old school summertime fortune teller that you can like fold and stuff. That's pretty cool. Might have to play with that later. And then they got the product list. They're still doing the tissue paper thing, but I think it's super pretty. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing that I got in here, if I can find it, is the Jane Iredale Just Kiss Lip and Cheek Stain in Forever Pink. The full size is $28. This multi-purpose stain gives both your lips and cheeks a pretty pink blush as its nourishing olive and avocado oil soften and soothe. So if you open it up, it's just like a super light skin color, kind of pinky color. Putting it on the back of my hand, I see like a tiny bit of pink, but it's not like super bright. So I definitely am going to want to test this more and see if it like is one of those things that kind of reacts to your lips and stuff. But if it's not reacting to my hand, I'm not sure what it's going to do with my cheeks. So we'll see. I'll test it out and do a review for you guys. If you follow my blog, you'll be able to see that. The next thing I have in here is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day PhD 5-in-1 Styling Treatment. The full size is $28, and it says, this multitasking styler does it all. Volumizes, adds softness, blocks UV rays, safeguards color, and protects from heat. Comb a nickel-sized amount through damp hair and blow dry. So I rarely blow dry my hair, but this will be cool to try when I do. I have quite a few products that say to use them when you blow dry. So if I don't get to those reviews quickly, it is because I very rarely blow dry my hair. I shower at night, and I usually just let my hair air dry because of that. But hopefully this winter I'll get to more of those reviews because I'll actually need to dry it if I'm going out. But let's move on to the next product. So the next thing in here is the Love of Color One and Done Shadow Stick in Impress Me. Full size is $10, and it says this waterproof shadow stick in the versatile deep rose gold shade delivers up to 11 hours of creaseless color. No brushes, blenders, or primers needed. So this is even claiming you're not going to need a primer with it. It's a very pretty like golden color. I definitely am excited to test this out and see how it works. This will be really nice for fall and winter. I wear browns during the summer, but I tend to go for more light browns, so this is a little darker and I'll probably do it in the fall and winter, but we're almost there, so I'll be testing that soon. Next up is the Oral-B. I cannot pronounce any of this, but it's a perfume. The full size is $105. With notes of cowbran, bergamot, white butterfly jasmine, and sandalwood, this fine fragrance oozes the glamour and sophistication of the legendary destination. So I probably would not pay that much for this. That being said, let's see what it smells like. I mean, I like the smell of it. It's one of those that you would, I guess, kind of just dab on your wrist because it doesn't have a spray top. That being said, I can tell you guys right now that I will not be spending $105 for that. I'll just stick to my Victoria's Secret and Bath & Body fragrances. So yeah, don't think it's worth $105, but it does smell nice. Next up in here is the Purlisse Coconut Oil and Orange Blossom Silky Body Butter. Full size is $24. This Orange Blossom scented body butter won't just moisturize your skin, it will make it look more youthful. Also improves firmness, elasticity, and suppleness. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm just going to put it on my hands for now to just kind of see how it works and like how the smell is. So it smells super orangey. So it definitely lives up to that. I'm going to kind of use that to get the makeup off the back of my hand as well. Yeah, it definitely smells like orange. I mean, my hands feel soft and smooth now. Like, I think it works. I think it would be a good lotion. And the full size of that is $24, by the way. But yeah, I like the smell. So I'll review that and let you know if it like stands up to what it claims. Next up and last in here is the Specific Beauty Replenishing Moisture Complex. The full size is $49. Restore your skin's protective barrier and help fade dark spots with this moisturizer. Antioxidants also protect from environmental damage that leads to premature aging. So this is basically just for your face and neck. Doesn't really seem like it has any scent to it, although it might just because that orange is super strong. But yeah, like, I'll definitely test it out. I'm still finishing up a different product that I was using. I don't like opening too many at one time because I don't want them to like expire before I get to them. But I will definitely get to the review. And like I said, you guys need to follow my blog. I have it linked below. And that way you can see all the reviews I do on these products. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!